Post-construction termite treatment after foundation repair and backfill is essential because repair work often disturbs barriers and creates new termite entry paths that must be addressed immediately. After foundation repair and backfill, we recommend treating the disturbed soil around every repaired section by applying a labeled liquid termiticide to create a continuous treated zone at the soil-to-wood interface. When backfill has been added, inject termiticide into the voids and along the footing line using a rotting pattern of 3 to 4 foot spacing, keeping injection depth near the top of the footing where termites travel. Reinstall any physical barriers that were moved during repair, such as metal flashing or masonry wedges, so that the mechanical path is restored and bridges are eliminated. Inside the structure, inspect sill plates and wall plates at repaired areas for new infestations using a tapping and probing technique, and treat any detected galleries by localized injection or removal and replacement of damaged framing. Maintain a written diagram showing where repairs were made and treatments applied so future inspections focus on these altered zones. Schedule a follow-up inspection within 30 to 60 days to confirm no activity, and then at regular intervals consistent with your local climate and termite species activity to ensure long-term protection. A frequent mistake is assuming the original termite barrier remains intact after heavy backfill, which can leave untreated soil next to structural wood. Avoid this by retreating soil and reinstalling barriers immediately. Another common issue is undertreating the voids created by backfill, which lets termites bypass the chemical barrier. Remedy that by injecting along the footing and in the compacted backfill at close spacing. Homeowners also often skip thorough interior checks of sill plates and wall plates after foundation work, so make a point to probe and inspect these members and treat or replace any compromised wood right away. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to read and share real project experiences related to foundation and termite work, helping people find professionals and learn from others. We run a discussion community where our users ask questions, share photos, and get practical advice from peers and tradespeople.